Here's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. It's efficient and fun. It's practical and fun. The Civic is perfectly suited for your life and fun. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, manual tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual telescoping steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Auto Week proclaims the Honda Civic got a new attitude. After dropping some weight, adding better materials to the interior, improving fuel economy, the Civic demands even more attention than it already gets. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Experience it for yourself today.